Hey guys, Kritik here. So, the first thing you realize with this video is that I'm not in my backyard. Instead, I am at the... I actually have no idea, but I'm at some kind of, hiking area. And today I'm going to talk about what makes a healthy ecosystem. So first, there are three things to making a healthy ecosystem. Habitats, and biodiversity, and also water. There's a bunch of other things, but I don't really want to tell you now. So first, let's see how many habitats we can see here. So first, let's talk about this area. So this is a forest, or a woodland, you can call it. There's actually a difference between a forest and a woodland. You could probably search it up online. I'm not going to tell you. So, anyways, over here there could be coyotes, foxes, your occasional bird, and some deer, etc., But there's mostly birds and insects. Over here, you've got the field kind of area. And this is where you could probably see snakes, lizards, field mice, occasionally like a rabbit or something, but not much. Oh, here is the mountainous area. So it has trees and stuff, but it's very mountainous, and that's probably where the coyotes, once again, they are very good at tapping into habitats, and also some other mice, and mostly birds, lots of birds. And there's also a few houses up there. So yeah, humans live there too. And now, let's talk about the pond. So this, I should have called it a pond in the first, because this is big. And when I mean big, I mean ginormous. I can't even fit it in my whole camera. So as you can see, we got some steep area here, and in the pond there's probably, you guessed it, fish, more fish, birds like cormorants, ducks, the diving birds, and also there are birds that eat insects that are just above the water, just flying and picking off little insects that try to fly above the water, like that one. I'm pretty sure I didn't get it on camera, but it just flew by. So, anyway, this place is probably a wonder, because over there, there's like that area with a bunch of trees. That's probably where coyotes and stuff come, and that's probably where they come to drink, unless there's any other ponds over there. But yeah. So, to be honest, this is a pretty good ecosystem. This is like nothing like I've ever seen before. So yeah, the only thing closest to here is when I've seen in Tamil Nadu, where in Kodaikanal and stuff. So yeah, it's pretty cool. But there is one thing that could make this ecosystem really, really, really bad, and that's humans, obviously. So if people start dumping chemicals in here and like throwing trash and stuff, which unfortunately the ocean has to face, that is going to lower the water quality, possibly killing fish and insects, which means that birds like that one over there, let me just zoom in, that one over there, yeah, that one, they just simply cannot eat the insects if they're dead in the water. Which means the things that eat the birds and the things that eat the things that eat the birds are going to start struggling. And it's basically a full ecosystem collapse. So this is how, everything probably collapses if this dried up or got polluted. So this is an example of how different habitats kind of help animals survive when they work together, which they kind of can't, but they also do when they're next to each other. So yeah, it's a pretty interesting concept. And the one thing I've noticed is that in all of these areas, there are two life forms that will always be there: birds and insects. birds because, they can just fly above the surface. And insects, they're practically everywhere. So, yeah, this is probably how all of this works. It's really hard to understand, but if you get the hang of it, it's really easy. So that's it for this video, and just why not? I'm just gonna start climbing down, because why not? As you can see, it's very steep, and there's like a bunch of insects here. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it with that. So please like, share, and subscribe. And also, thank you to my classmate Manon for literally begging me for a video after I posted so many shorts. So yeah, I will see you later. Bye.